Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your Windows desktop look clean and professional. A clean and professional Windows desktop can improve productivity and make it easier to find important files and applications. Reducing clutter and organizing your workspace helps create a more focused computing environment. With a few simple adjustments, you can give your desktop a polished and efficient appearance. To begin, turn on your computer and sign into Windows. Review the icons, files, and folders currently on your desktop. Delete unnecessary shortcuts and files that you no longer need. Move important documents into organized folders instead of leaving them on the desktop. Create clearly named folders for categories such as work, personal, recordings, and projects. Group related desktop shortcuts into the appropriate folders. Right-click an empty area of the desktop and select View. Enable auto-arrange icons or manually align icons in a neat layout. Choose a simple, professional wallpaper with minimal distractions. Right-click the taskbar and then Pin to remove applications you rarely use. Pin your most frequently used programs to the taskbar for quick access. Turn on dark mode or select a consistent Windows theme if desired. Hide desktop icons completely by right-clicking the desktop, selecting View, and then checking Show Desktop Icons if you prefer a minimalist look. And review your desktop regularly and maintain the organization by filing new documents and removing unnecessary items. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.